What's up, Maxis? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Today we're taking a look at Vechain and its recent price action, and make sure to watch the video till the end for a price prediction for the short and the long term as well. We would really appreciate it if you would like and subscribe so you don't miss any videos, and turn on bell notifications as well. We're posting 4 videos per day, so come back every day for daily updates and analysis, and make sure to comment down below for your chance to win a hardware wallet in our new monthly giveaway. Make sure to like, subscribe and comment to be eligible. Only 20% of viewers are subs, so please tap that big red subscribe button. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description. Before we begin, we'd just like to say thank you so much to all of you for your support. You're all amazing. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. So as we can see, Vechain currently making higher lows continuously. One higher low here, higher low here, higher low here, which is all very bullish in our opinion. Obviously, with the initial dump that we saw on the 19th of May, we did get a very large relief rally for Vechain, and we did since then make a higher low, which is important in our opinion. But we haven't made a higher high yet as of then. Obviously, as you can see in the relief rally, we did come all the way up to around 14.6 cents here. But since then, we've only managed to reach 14 cents here. And so far, we've only managed to reach around 13 cents here. So it seems as though we're forming some kind of bull pennant, as you can see here. Something like this, potentially. So it looks as though Vechain is forming up like the wider market is. Bitcoin as well, forming up in a very similar way to this as well. So it remains to be seen what's going to happen with Vechain. Obviously, a lot of this is heavily dependent on the wider market right now. But it does look as though it's carrying out a very nice ABC reversal right now. As you can see, we've got this A wave that we broke out of the channel here as well after flipping bullish on our EMAs, so very good. We've got our correction to the downside where we made our higher low, which is our B wave. And then obviously we want to see the C wave coming up now as well. Basically making a higher high here, because obviously we're making these higher lows, but we're not making higher highs so far. As you can see, we're actually starting to roll somewhat. So we want to be seeing basically that A, B, C, and that C wave coming up and testing around this 15 to 16 cent level, we would say. In around these levels here, that would be very, very ideal for Vechain in our opinion. And then we could probably come down, retest these levels at around 13 to 14 cents as support. And then we can start moving up through the support and resistances like this, basically zigzagging upwards to the upside. So we're still very bullish on Vechain. Obviously, the short term doesn't look too great, but when in doubt, zoom out, as they say. And in the long term, we do think Vechain is going to be a very, very good project. As you can no doubt, I don't know what's going on with my trend line here. My trend lines seem to always get moved, like all the time. I really don't know. I don't know why. They seem to just randomly move around. But yeah, as we can see, Vechain does look as though it's bouncing quite nicely now. We're seeing something like this. So hopefully we can see a bounce to the upside now, a retest, and then another bounce to the upside. But as we were saying, Vechain short term doesn't look that great. Obviously, we're still down around, let's take a look at this, still down around 55-56% from the all-time high. So I mean, wow, what an opportunity if you like Vechain for the long term to get in. A lot of people are going to be so jealous of everyone that got in below 10 cents. We got into Vechain when it was around 3.5, I believe, around here, around 2.5 to 3 cents. So I believe it was around here actually. We're at 3.5 cents ish, yeah, after it had this correction to the downside, and everyone thought that Vechain was going to die, and then whoom, to the upside, as you can see. So Vechain is a project that can obviously move very fast, and we do think long term it's got some of the best fundamentals and adoption in the space in general, in our opinion. And we do strongly think that Vechain is a project that in the long term is going to perform very, very well. It's definitely an altcoin gem and a blue chipper in our opinion, and it's getting a huge amount of adoption and use case in the wider world. So we do think that Vechain, as we said, end of the year price prediction, we do think $2 or $3 is very, very achievable, which is around a 20x from the current price. We don't think that that's that unachievable whatsoever. And as you can see, this would only be around a 10x from the all-time high that we saw here. So it's obviously very, very clear that Vechain can move very fast. If we just take a look here, we can see that it was around 3.5 cents here. So if we just said it was 3 cents, this is essentially an 8 or a 9x in the space of a few months. So if Vechain did an 8 or a 9x from here, it would be well over $1 in our opinion. As you can see, if it's around 12 cents, 12.5 cents, then basically an 8x would mean that it was around, well, it would be around $1 at that point. So if we can get a 10x from here, obviously we'd be looking at around $1.25. And then obviously, if we get a 10x from the all-time high, which seems like it's definitely possible considering how much Vechain can obviously run when it gets a good head of steam up, as we can see here. This basically almost parabolic line at this point. It is possible that Vechain could potentially reach around $2 to $3. A 10x from the all-time high would be around $2.80. So if we just take a look quickly at the minutiae of the past 24 hours or so for Vechain in this little update, it does seem as though it's flipped bullish again here. As we can see, we've got our EMAs flipped, which is very bullish. We're not making higher highs though, which is something that we really want to see so that we can see that continuation. But we are making higher lows, which is very important. We flipped bullish on our EMAs, as we said. And it looks as though now Vechain is currently bouncing in and around these levels between 12 and 13 cents, where there is a lot of structure and resistance. So if we can see a good head of steam building for the market, we do think Vechain can basically break past this local high and complete this ABC wave that we want to see. We're very bullish on Vechain in the long term. If you don't like Vechain in the short term, then maybe just put your bags away for a few months and come back and see how things are doing. In our opinion, things will probably be looking much, much nicer there by then, in our opinion, for Vechain and the wider crypto world. We've obviously had this huge capitulation in the market. Everyone's aware of it and everyone got scared and a lot of people sold. But obviously, congratulations to those that haven't sold yet. We do think you'll be rewarded in the long term. Obviously, crypto is extremely volatile, but it is a long play. And the longer that you wait with quality projects, the more likely that you will be successful. So not financial advice, but obviously short-term price targets. We do want to see Vechain hitting this 15 to 16 cent resistance so we can fulfill that ABC reversal pattern outside of this channel that we've been descending, as we can see. That'd be very, very nice to see. Vechain breaking up and making some higher highs so that we can continue essentially breaking upwards to the upside through these levels of support and resistance. And then, as we said, we do think Vechain could be $2 or $3 by the end of the run. We do think it's got a massive amount of adoption, and once it starts running, it's definitely got the legs in it, in our opinion, to achieve this. So that's our update for Vechain today, guys. We'd like to thank everyone for watching. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please let us know down in the comments section below. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can keep up to date with all of our videos. Remember to comment down below and be subscribed to enter into our brand new monthly giveaway for a hardware wallet. If you'd like to support the channel more directly, please sign up to our Patreon via the link in the description below, or sign up to YouTube membership by hitting the join button right next to the sub below this video, where you can get access to our private Discord. We're offering coin calls, one-to-one access to us personally, insight into our personal portfolio, daily research of crypto assets with massive potential, and access to our brand new 100x portfolio. With so many benefits, you might as well check it out below. Don't forget to get 2 free stocks with Webull by signing up and then depositing $100 using our link in the description below. You can quite literally deposit the $100, get your 2 free stocks, and then withdraw the money, so there's no reason not to do that, and they could be valued all the way up to $1,600 each. But don't forget to actually deposit as well after signing up, otherwise you won't receive the second stock. Scammers get worse every day, so make sure to protect yourself and your crypto online with purevpn. Sign up below for some massive discounts. You can get access to block content and protect yourself from phishing scams with super low monthly payments and high quality speeds. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.